Okay, so we are on lesson 17. This is the problem set, and there's just a little review at the top on the axes of the coordinate plane must be drawn using a straight edge ruler labeled X, Y with the different axes. And then make sure that you've got whatever your points are, that you've determined what the scale is going to be, because we had some different scales to look at. So we'll probably have that in the practice too, or the problem set. Label the coordinate plane and then locate and label the sets of points below. So, and again, these are so small, I'm going to just enlarge that a little bit. So if we have, let's see if I do have a, I don't think I have a ruler, but does that not, let's go like there and there, let's see. No, that doesn't want to work with it for whatever reason. That's weird. Okay, so that, to use a ruler on this iPad is not really effective, so I will do my best in trying to do a steady job. Okay, so we've got, I've got tenths going across the X axis, so it looks like I'm starting with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths, and then that will go all the way to 1. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5 tenths, all the way to negative 1. Then going up and down, I think I kind of have to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths, and then this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is negative 5 tenths, and this is a negative 1. Okay. So if I go 1, 2, 3, and I go up 9, that is 0.3 and 0.9. I know I need the 0 in there, but then I go over here and I go negative 1 tenth, and I go up 5, 6, 7. So negative 1 and 7 tenths. Got it. Then I go negative 5 tenths, negative 1 tenth, negative 5 tenths, and negative 1 tenth. Then we've got negative 9, and then I go 1, 2, 3. So negative 9 tenths and then 3 tenths, okay? Then I'm at 0, and I'm going to go down to 0 and negative 4 tenths. So that, I've got that all, even though it's a little sloppy, but I've got it down. Then it looks like, label this coordinate plane, so let's just go ahead and do my best on drawing straight lines without a ruler. And look at that, 90. So it looks like I may be, what am I counting by tens, do you think? 0, we'll start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So negative 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, negative 100. Okay, so I got the big numbers done. Then is the other just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then this would be a negative 10. So let's try to plot some of these. So I went 70, 80, 90, and then I went up to 9. That's 10, so right here. So 90 and 9. How about if I go, negative 110, and then negative 11. Wow, that is in this far corner. Negative 110, negative 11. Okay. How about 40 and go up 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 and 4. and then negative 60, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 60 and then negative 6. Negative 80, there's 100, so back up 2. Negative 80 and then go down right here is negative 80 and negative 8. Okay. Again, that one's hard to see too. And then on 3 on the extension, it says, describe the pattern you see in the coordinates in problem 2 and the pattern you see in the points. Are these patterns consistent for other points too? Well, let me go in and just, I wonder if this would help. If I go this dot and this dot and this dot, those seem to be kind of lined up. And this dot and this dot. Kind of. If I put a straight edge down there, I think there's a line that can go through that. For the every x, okay, so for every x, that's 10 times what the y unit is. Like 9 times 10 is that 90. 11 times 10 is 110, 4 times. So there is a pattern for sure. And then when I graph it, it does appear to be in a straight line. And the points are also, if I did that line carefully enough, I think that they would fall on that, which makes sense. There definitely is a pattern. So we could say the x is 10 times the value of y. That is true. Okay, and I think that we're done with this. So excellent job for some hard thinking in math.